Okay, next to continue, very important logarithm definition. For a greater than 0, comma a not equal to 1, comma n is greater than 0 and a, comma n are real numbers. If a to the power of x is equal to n, then x is equal to log n to the base a. This is the definition of the logarithm. Here, a greater than 0. A greater than 0 and a not equal to 1 means a is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on like that. Here n greater than 0, n greater than 0 means n value you take 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like that. So a greater than 0, a not equal to 1, comma n greater than 0 and a, comma n are real numbers. If a to the power of x is equal to n, then x is equal to log n to the base a. This is the definition of the logarithm. Next I will write the important formulas for logarithms. So very important. First one, log a b means a into b base here x, you take any one, is equal to log a b base x is equal to log a to the base x plus log b to the base x. This is the first formula. Log ab to the base x is equal to log a base x plus log b base x. So here product a into b, we get here addition symbol. Generally we are multiplication, we are doing addition. So here also log ab base x is equal to log a plus log b, here base x. Second one, log a by b to the base x is equal to log a to the base x minus log b to the base x. Generally in the division we are doing subtraction. Here also a by b means division. Here we are getting minus. So second one, log a by b to the base x is equal to log a to the base x minus log b to the base x. Next third one, log a to the power of m base b to the power of n is equal to, once again, log a to the power of m base b to the power of n is equal to, first of all you take that exponents, means that is m by n into log a to the base b. Once again it is very important, log a to the power of m base b to the power of n is equal to m by n into log a base b. This is very important. So from this formula again I will write another formula. Next one, log a to the power of m, here base b is equal to, I will write m into log a base b. Here b to the power of 1 is there, means m by 1, need not to write 1, so that's why m into log a base b. Once again, log a to the power of m base b is equal to m into log a to the base b. Next one formula, fifth one, log 1 to the base, you write any one, log 1 to the base any one. So I am taking here x, its value 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. Simple, very important. Log 1 is equal to 0. Here base you write any one. Next one, sixth one, log 10. Base you write any one. Its value 1. Log 1 is equal to 0, but log 10 is equal to 1. Next one, log a to the base a is equal to its value 1. Log a to the base same value, that is a is equal to 1. Now logarithmic value and base value both are equal, its value 1. Next one, log a base b to the power of m is equal to, here a to the power of 1 is there, so 1 by m into log a base b. So it is very important, log a base b to the power of m is equal to 1 by m into log a to the base b. Next one, ninth one, log a base b is equal to, I will write here 1 by log b to the base a. Here values are interchanging. Log a base b is equal to 1 by log b base a. Next one, 10th one. Again log a base b is equal to, I will write log a base, you write any one value x by log b base x. Here log a base b is equal to log a by log b, like that. Log a base x by log b base x. Next one, 10th, next 11th one, a to the power of log n to the base a is equal to, a to the power of log n to the base a is equal to, here n will comes here and a will comes here. So here n to the power of log a, here base a is equal to its value log a base a value 1. So here a to the power of log n to the base a is equal to, here these terms will be interchanged, that is equal to n to the power of log a base a. So is equal to n to the power of log a base a value 1. So it can be written as only n. So it is very, very important. It is useful to solve the problems. Next, so these are the important formulas. I will repeat these formulas. Okay, log ab base x is equal to log a base x plus log b base x. Next one, log a by b base x is equal to log a base x minus log b base x. Third one, log a to the power of m base b to the power of n is equal to m by n into log a base b. Next one, log a to the power of m base b is equal to m into log a base b. Next one, log 1 to the base x. Here the base value, any number is there, its value 0. Log 1 is equal to 0, simple. Next, log 10 is equal to 1. Log a base a is equal to 1. Next, log a base b to the power of m is equal to 1 by m into log a base b. Next, log a base b is equal to 1 by log b base a. Same another one, log a base b is equal to log a by log b, means log a base x by log b base x. Next, another one, a to the power of log n to the base a is equal to n to the power of log a base a is equal to n to the power of log a base a value 1. So it is equal to 1. So I will repeat once again these very, very important formulas. If you perfect these formulas, you can easily solve the answers. Okay, now once again, first definition I will repeat. A greater than 0. For a greater than 0, a greater than 0 means you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and so on. And again a not equal to 1. Not equal to 1 means you take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So here a greater than 0, a not equal to 1 means here you take a value more than, means more than 1 or 2, 3, 4 like that. And n is greater than 0. N value here greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So and a comma n are real numbers. So if a to the power of x is equal to n, then x is equal to, first of all you take x is equal to log n to the base a. This is the definition of the logarithm. Okay na? So formulas. So log AB, simply I will read log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Log AB is equal log A plus log B. Next, second one, log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Next one, log A to the power of m base B to the power of n is equal to m by n into log A base B. Next, log A to the power of m base B is equal to m into log A base B. Next, log 1 is equal to 0. Simple, very easy. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log 10 is equal to 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log 10 is equal to 1. Next, log A base A. Same, log a base a is equal to 1. Next, log a base b to the power of m is equal to 1 by m into log a base b. Next, log a base b is equal to 1 by log b base a. Next, again log a base b is equal to log a by log b. So here log a base, here you take any one variable or number. Again log b, here base is same. Next, a to the power of log n to the base a is equal to n to the power of log a base a. So here log a base a value 1, so is equal to n to the power of 1. Simply we are writing n. This is the very important formulas in the logarithm topic. So I am taking a exercise. Okay. Next important problems. So first of all, you read all formulas. If you know the formulas, you will get easily solutions. Okay, first question. Logarithm topic. Here exercise 1.5, first bit, first question. I will read the question. So determine the values of the following. Determine the values of the following. First question, log 5 base 25. So first question, log 5 base 25 is given. This is the question. Now I will solve the answer. So first 5, it can be written as same as it is 5 only. But here 25 can be written as 5 into 5. So I will write like this, log 5. So 25 can be written as 5 square. Okay now. So here log a base b to the power of n formula is there. So I will write 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. Again is equal to 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5 value 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to its answer 1 by 2. Therefore log 5 base 25 is equal to its answer 1 by 2. Once again I will repeat the answer and question. So determine the following problems. So first question, log 5 base 25 is given. Log 5 base 25. So 5, there is no change. 5 as it is, you should write 25 can be written as 5 into 5 means 5 square. So log 5 base 5 square. So we have one formula, log a base b to the power of m. So we have formula, I will write that formula here. So that one, log a base b to the power of m is equal to 1 by m into log a base b. This is the formula for the solve the question. So here 5 to the power of 1 means 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. So 1 by 2 into, again here log a base a value 1 is there. So here log a base a is equal to 1. Here log 5 base 5 value 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore log 5 base 25 is equal to 1 by 2 answer. Next question, log 3 base 81 is there. Second question. Okay, second question, log 3 base 81 is there. So it is very easy, same as it is the first problem like that. So I will write the answer log 3. So it can be written as log first 3 as it is 81. 81 can be written as 81. So I will take in the 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja. So 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. So 3 to the power of 4. So 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. Again here log a to the power of m base b to the power of n formula 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3 is equal to 1 by 4 into its value 1. So answer 1 by 4, same as it is first problem. Therefore log 3 base 81 is equal to answer 1 by 4. So So very important. First one, second one, as it is both are same. Next one, third question. Log 1 by 16 base 2. So third question, log 1 by 16 base 2 is there. So log 1 by 16 base 2 is there. So I will write this question log. So 16 can be written as 16 whole power of minus 1 and base 2. Again it can be written as log. 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 times. So 16 can be written as 2 8 ja 16, next to 2 4 ja, next to 2 2 ja. So 2 to the power of 4. So log 2 to the power of 4 whole to the power of minus 1 base 2 is equal to log. Here formula, we have one formula, a to the power of m into whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn, means 4 into minus 2, we get to minus 4 base 2. Again we have one formula, log a to the power of m is equal to m into log a minus 4 into log 2 base 2 is equal to minus 4 into its value 1. So minus 4 into 1 is equal to answer minus 4. So therefore 1 by log log 1 by 16 base 2 is equal to answer minus 4. I will write here. Therefore log 1 by 16 base 2 is equal to answer minus 4. I will repeat the answer once again. First of all, 1 by 16 can be written as 16 whole to the power of minus 1. Again 16 can be written as 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja. So it can be written as 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4 again whole to the power of minus 1. We have one formula, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n, means 4 into minus 1 we get to minus 4. So log a to the power of m base b is equal to, we have one formula, that is m into log a base b. So minus 4 into log 2 base 2. So minus 4 into log a base a value 1. So log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Minus 4 into 1 is equal to minus 4. Therefore log 1 by 16 base 2 is equal to minus 4 answer. This is the third problem. Next problem. Next fourth problem, direct is given log. Fourth problem here, log 1 base 7 is given. Its value 0. Log 1 base 7 is equal to 0. Next question, log root x base x. Next fifth question here, log root x base x. So I will solve this one. Log root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. I will write here x to the power of 1 by 2 base here x. Log a to the power of m formula is there. So 1 by 2 into log x base x is equal to 1 by 2 into log x base x value 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to answer 1 by 2. Therefore here log root x base x is equal to answer 1 by 2. This is the fifth answer. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth answers are over. Next question, sixth question, log 512 base 2. So I will so next question. Next log 512. So here sixth question, log 512 base 2 is the question, important question. These are the 1 mark questions. Log 512 base 2. Okay. First of all, find the LCM of the 512. So 512, you take here base 2 is given, so you divide with 2, means you write 512 in the form of 2 to the power of something. So I am taking a 2 table. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja, again 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja, next 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, next 2 3 ja 2 ja 4, next 2 16 ja 32, next 2 8 ja, next 2 4 ja, next 2 2 ja 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So log 512 can be written as 2 to the power of 9 base 2. We have one formula, log a to the power of m is equal to m into log a, means m into means here 9 into log 2 base 2 is equal to 9 into log 2 base 2 value 1. So 9 into 1 is equal to answer 9. Therefore log 512 base 2 is equal to its value 9. First of all, find the LCM of the 512. So it can be written as 2 to the power of 9. 2 to the power of 9, log 2 to the power of 9 base 2. So is equal to 9, means here 9 into log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value for 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So here log 512 base 2 is equal to answer 9. Next question here, very important, log 0.1. Next one, 7th question, log 0.01 base 10 is there. Log 0.01 base 10 is there. So here, first of all I will write log 0.01 can be written as 1 by 100 base 10. 1 by 100 means after point here 2 digits are there. That's why I am writing 1 by 100. So again it can be written as log 1 by 10 square. So base 10. 100 can be written as 10 into 10 means 10 square. So again it can be written as log 10 to the power of minus 2 base 10. So 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n, like that. So again here it can be written as minus 2 into log 10 base 10. So is equal to minus 2 into log 10 base 10 value 1. So minus 2 into 1 answer minus 2. So here log 10 is equal to 1, I am already told you. So log 10 base 10 here also 1 answer. So I will repeat that log 0.01 base 10 is equal to, first of all 0.01 can be written as 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 can be written as 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square again can be written as 10 to the power of minus 2. So here log a to the power of m base b is equal to m into log a base b. So here minus 2 into log a base b. Minus 2 into here log 10 base 10 value 1. So minus 2 into 1 answer minus 2. Next question, log okay, question number 8th one. 8th question here, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Base here 2 by 3. So very important it is also. So log 8 by 23 means first of all I am taking log 2 means I will 8 can be written as 2 cube by 27 can be written as 3 cube. So 8 means 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 cube. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 cube. So 2 cube by 3 cube. Again base here 2 by 3. So again it can be written as log here 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3. So base same 2 by 3 is there. So that means here log a to the power of m base b is equal to 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So is equal to 3 into log a base a value 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to answer 3. Therefore log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 is equal to its value answer 3. It is very important. Once again, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 is equal to log 2 cube by 3 cube base 2 by 3. So here 8 can be written as 2 cube, 27 can be written as 3 cube. Again log 2 by 3 whole cube. Here we have one formula, a to the power of m by b to the power of m is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. So here log 2 by 3 whole cube by base 2 by 3. So again here in the logarithmic formula, log a to the power of m base b is equal to formula m into log a base b, means here 3 into log same 2 by 3, here also 2 by 3. So 3 into its value 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So it is 8th question. Next one, 9th question. 9th question here very different is there. That is 2 to the power of. So 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. So 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. So this is an important question and different is there. 9th question. 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. So already we know that one formula, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. One formula, simple I am write a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m into a to the power of n formula. So it can be written as so here 2 to the power of 2 into again 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. So 2 to the power of 2 means 2 into 2. I will write here 4 into. So here one formula is there. So 3 will comes here and 2 will comes here. Interchange the terms. So that means 3 to the power of log 2 base 2. So is equal to 4 into 3 to the power of log 2 base 2 value 1. So 4 3 are 12. Therefore 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2 is equal to answer 12. It is different problem is there. Once again I will repeat 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. So we have one formula, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So here 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. So 2 to the power of 2 means 2 into 2 means 4 into, here one formula is there. So I will write that formula, a to the power of log n base a is equal to, I will write n into log a base a, means n will comes here and a will comes here. So it is one formula. So 3 to the power of log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value 1. So 4 into 3 to the power of 1, 4 3 is 12. So answer 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2 is equal to its value, answer 12. Next question, second bit problems now. Very important, easy also. Second bit problems. Okay. Next second bit problems. First I will read the question. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values. Here 2-3 terms are there. So total 5 problems are there. Once again repeat the question. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values. So first question, log 2 plus log 5. So first question, log 2 plus log 5. Here base values are not given. Log 2 plus log 5 is there. First remember the formulas. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B is there. So here reverse. Log A plus log B is equal to log AB I will write. So its value log 2 into 5. Base value we don't know, that is equal to log 2 5 is 10. So its answer is equal to log 10. So log 2 plus log 5 is equal to log 10 answer. Therefore I will write the answer log 2 plus log 5 is equal to answer log 10. Next second question. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Next one, second one. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. So here formula. Log A minus log B is there. So here one doubt. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value 1. So you can do, here there are two methods are solve this question. I will write a general method. First of all, log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. So 16 by 2 again base 2 is equal to log 16 by 2 means 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 16. So 8 base 2 again here log 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So means 2 cube base 2. Again here log a to the power of m formula is there. So 3 into log 2 base 2 is there is equal to 3 into log 2 base 2 value 1. So 3 1 ja 3 answer. Okay now log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 value 3. So I will do another method, same question direct. So here log 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 value 1. So again it can be written as here log. So 4 into log 2 base 2 minus 1. So is equal to 4 into log 2 base 2 value 1 minus 1. So 4 1 ja 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 how much answer 3. So this is also 3, this is also 3. So here this question have the two solutions, two methods. Okay now you can select any one. Next third question. 3 into log 4 base 64. So third question 3 into log 4 base 64 is given. So this is a simple answer. First of all I am taking 3 into log 4. So 64 can be written as divide with 4 table. 4 1 ja 4 remaining 2 24 4 8 ja 4 6 ja 4 1 ja 4 remaining 2 4 8 ja 24 sorry 4 6 ja 24. Next 4 4 ja. So 4 as it is 64 can be written as 64 is equal to 4 cube. So here 64 I will write 4 to the power of 3. So is equal to 3 into. So here one formula is there. Log a to the power of m base b to the power of m is equal to m by n. Means here 1 by 3 into log same base 4 also. So here 3 1 ja 3 1 ja is equal to 1 into log 1 base log 4 base 4 value 1. So 1 into 1 answer 1. Okay, I will repeat once again. 3 into log 4 base 64. First of all you write 64, find the LCM. 4 16 ja again 4 4 ja. So 64 can be written as 4 cube. So 3 into log 4 base 4 cube. So 3 into, here we have one formula, that is log a to the power of m base b to the power of n is equal to m by n into log a base b. Here powers first we write, here power 1 is there, here 3 is there. So 1 by 3 into log a base b. So here 1 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 1 ja cancel, log 4 base 4 value 1, 1 into 1 answer 1. Therefore 3 into log 4 base 64 is equal to answer 1. So next question, start with our fourth question. Next start over. Next fourth question. Fourth question 2 log 3. So fourth question 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. 3 log 2. Next question 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Very simple. So here one formula is there. M into log a is equal to log a to the power of m. So here log 3 to the power of 2 minus here log 2 to the power of 3 means 2 will comes exponents, here also 3 will comes exponents. So log 3 square 3 3 is 9 minus log 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2 its value 8. So again one formula, log a minus log b is equal to log a by b means 9 by 8. So this is the answer. Okay, now log 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 is equal to log 3 square minus log 2 cube. So 2 will comes here, exponent here also, coefficient comes like a exponent. So log 3 square means 9 minus log 2 cube means 8. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. So this is the answer. Next question in this method, fifth one. So second bit, fifth question. Log 10 plus 2 log 3. So fifth question, log 10 minus 2 log 3. 2 log 3 minus log 2. Log 2. Here question log 10 plus, sorry, here plus is there. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Write in the single logarithm. So log 10 is there. So I will write as it is, log 10 plus, here 2 will come, so it is exponents, log 3 square minus log 2 as it is. Again it can be written as log, here log a plus log b is there. Log a into b means 10 into 3 square minus log 2 is there. Again here log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Log 10 into 3 square by 2. Okay, now again log, so 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 10. So 5 into 3 square is equal to how much? 9. So log 5 9 ja 45. So answer log 45. So question I will repeat, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So answer log 10 as it is. So here formula is m into log a is equal to log a to the power of m, means log 3 square minus log 2 as it is. Here log a plus log b is here, log ab. So 10 into 3 square minus log 2 as it is. Next log, here log a minus log b is equal to log a by b, means log 10 into 3 square by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So log 5 into 3 square is equal to 9. So log 5 9 ja 45. This is the answer. Next question. Next third bit is there. Log 5 base 2. Okay, start it. So next bit, continuation, third bit. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. So in this question, first one, log 15 base 2 is given. So first one, log 15 base 2. So find the value of log 15 base 2 in the terms of x and y only. That is the question meaning. So I will solve the answer. So log 15 can be written as 3 into 5 base 2. 15 can be written as 3 5 ja 15. So again log AB formula, log A plus log B. Log A plus B, log B means log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. So is equal to log 3 base 2 value already given in the question, that value x, plus log 5 base 2 value also given, that is y. So therefore log 15 base 2 is equal to answer x plus y. This is the first answer. Next second question. Log 7.5 base 2. Second question, log 7.5 base 2. Find the value of log 7.5 base 2 in the terms of x and y. So I will write log 75 by 10 base 2. So here 75 by 10 means 7.5. First remove the point and write in the denominator 1. After point 1 digit is there. That's why we are writing in the denominator after 1 we write 0. So here log A by B formula is there. Log, for example here cancellation is possible, you do that cancellation. So that means 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, remaining to 5 5 ja 15. Okay na? 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, remaining 2, 25, 5 5 ja 25, so 15 by 2, so log 15 by 2 base 2. So here log a by b, log a 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 15 base 2 already value here is there, so it can be written as log 3 into 5 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 value 1. So again log AB, log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus 1. So its value x plus its value y minus 1. So log 7.5 base 2 is equal to x plus y minus 1. This is the second answer. Next I am taking the third question. Log 60 base 2. Third question, log 60 base 2. So find the value of log 60 base 2 in the terms of x and y. So here log, so 60 can be written as 2 into 2, like that 60. So 2 30 ja 60, again 2 15 ja, next 3 5 ja. So here 2 square into 3 into 5, 2 into 2, 2 square into 3 into 5 base 2. So here log ABC is equal to formula log A plus log B plus log C. So log A means first log 2 square base 2 plus log B means that is 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. So here log A to the power of m1 formula is the 2 into log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 value here given, that is x, plus log 5 base 2 value already given, that is y. So is equal to 2 into log 2 base 2 value 1 plus x plus y. So is equal to 2 into 1 2 plus x plus y. This is the answer. So log 60 base 2 is equal to 2 plus x plus y. This is the answer. Next question, log 6750 base 2. Next question, just 1 minute. Here. Okay, next question, fourth question, log 6750 base 2. Log 6750 base 2. First find the LCM of the 6750. So 6750, find the LCM. First I am taking two table. 2 3 ja 6, again 2 3 ja 6, 15, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10. Next 3 table. 3 1 ja, again 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 1 3 5 ja 15. Next again 3 table. 3 3 ja 9, 22, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15. Next again 3 table. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. Next 5 table. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 15, again 5 5 ja. So here 6750 can be written as log, in the place of first only single 2 is a 2 into 1 2 3 4, sorry 3 cube, 3 cube into 5 cube base 2. So here 6750 can be written as 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. So here log ABC formula, log A plus log B means that is 3 cube base 2 plus log C means that is 5 cube base 2. Log 2 base 2 value 1 plus here log A to the power of m formula 3 into log 3 base 2 plus again 3 into log 5 base 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 into log 3 base 2 value already given, that is x, plus 3 into log 5 base 2 value is given, that is y. So answer 1 plus 3x plus 3y. This is the answer. This is the total third bit answers. Next Next fourth bit, first one. So question, expand the following. So first question, log 1000 is given. Base not value, base not there. Log 1000. Expand the following problems. So only single logarithm is given. You can write in the log a plus log b plus log c like that. So here the log 10 cube is there. So 1000 is there. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Base here not there, so is equal to 3 into log 10 is there. So 3 into log 10 value 1, so is equal to 3 answer. So here this is the answer correct, but as per question, expand the following. So log 1000 can be written as log plus log plus log plus like that is here. So log 1000 is there. So find the LCM of the log. So I will write this is also correct answer, but here as per question, expand the following means find the LCM 1000. So 2 5 ja 0 0, again 2 2 ja 2 5 ja 0, next 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 5 ja, next 5 2 ja 5 5 ja, next again 5 5 ja. So here 1000 can be written as 2 cube and 5 cube. So here I will take log 1000. So is equal to log 1000 can be written as 2 cube into 5 cube is equal to log a b is there. Log a plus log b 2 cube plus log 5 cube. So here one formula, log a to the power of m is equal to m into log a means 3 into log 2 plus 3 into log 5. This is the answer. Log 1000 is equal to 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5. This is the first one answer. This is also correct, but find the value of log 1000 means this is the answer correct, but as per question, expand the following problem means log 1000 is equal to 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5. This is the answer. Next second question, log 128 base. So second question, log 128 by 625. 625. This is the question. Expand the following. So first of all, log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log 128 minus log 625. So log 128. So first of all, find the LCM of 128. So 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8. Next 2 3 ja 2 ja. Next 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. Next 2 8 ja. Next 2 4 ja. Next 2 2 ja. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So log 2 to the power of 7 minus log 625 means 25 ja. So or you can write 5 to the power of 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here log a to the power of m into 7 into log 2 minus 4 into log 5. This is the answer. Log 128 by 625 is equal to 7 log 2 minus log 4 log 5. This is the answer. Next third question. Log x square y cube z power 4. So third question, log x square y cube z to the power of 4. Log x square y cube z to the power of 4. So here log ABC is there. Log a plus log b plus log x square plus log y cube plus log z to the power of 4. Here means it can be written as 2 into log x plus 3 into log y plus 4 into log z. So this is the answer. Log x square y cube z power of 4 is equal to 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. This is the third question answer also. Next fourth question. I will write this fourth question. Fourth bit, fourth question. Remaining two problems are there. Fourth and fifth. I will explain these two problems. Question number 4. Log p square q cube. So fourth question, log p square q cube by r power 4, r power of 4. Here base value is not there. So log p square cube by r power of 4. First of all, log a by b. Log a by b is equal to log a. So log p square cube minus log b means that is r power of 4. So again log a b is equal to log a plus log b. Log p square plus log q cube minus, here log a to the power of a means 4 into log r. So again it can be written as 2 into log p plus 3 into log q minus 4 into log r. This is the answer, fourth one answer. Next fifth one, last one is it, after that stop. So last question, log, fifth answer, last answer. This is the log of root x cube by y square and root x cube by y square. This is the last question and last answer. First I will write log. First of all, root x can be written as x cube by y square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 like that is equal to 1 by 2 into log of x cube by y square. So again 1 by 2 into, here log a by b is there, log a minus log b means log x cube minus log y square. So again is equal to 1 by 2 into log x cube minus 1 by 2 into log y square. So here 1 by 2 into log a to the power of m into 3 into log x minus 1 by 2 into here 2 into log y. So here cancellation is not possible. 3 1 ja 3. 3 by 2 into log x minus 2 1 ja 2 1 ja cancel means 1 into log y. So 1 log y only. So 3 by 2 into log x minus log y. Please share this video, subscribe my channel and like the videos. Okay. Part 2 will coming soon. Bye everyone.